Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to wind the bobbin on a Singer Stylist 416 sewing machine. First thing you want to do is go over to your wheel right here, twist it just like that. That'll disengage your needle from moving up and down while you wind the bobbin. Next, you want to power the unit on with your power switch right there. Put your thread onto your post. Then from your post, you're going to go over here to this disc right here and back over. Then you grab your bobbin. The hole that you want to go through is the one closest to the center there. Then you bring it over to your bobbin winder. Push it into place, then flick your switch from sew to wind, just like that. That'll engage your bobbin winder. Then you push on your foot pedal and it'll start to wind. It'll stop when it's full. And just another note, you don't actually have to hold on to this when you do it. I'm just doing that because I have a makeshift post on here, and my first take of this video, it actually flew off. So you don't actually have to do that. You can let it go on its own. Now we're just gonna grab our knife when it's full, cut it, flick this switch back to sew. That'll disengage and allow you to lift your bobbin up and load it. We'll make another video for that. Stay tuned for it. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please like and subscribe.